Here I am going to show how to make tasty green peas dum biryani. It takes only 45 minutes to prepare. Before jump into the video, please subscribe and follow our social media channels for more healthy food videos. Required ingredients: tomato, mint leaves, coriander leaves, green peas, onion, salt, ginger garlic paste, butter, curry leaves, green chilies, biryani leaf, spices. Take 2 cups biryani rice, wash with water and keep aside. Prepare fried onions with 3 tablespoons melted butter. On the same melted butter, add onions, biryani leaf, and spices. Mix well. Now, add green chilies, curry leaves, and ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Now, add green peas. And keep the lid on. After 1 minute, add tomato, salt, and mix well. Keep the lid on. After 1 minute, check whether the green peas boiled perfectly or not. Now, take 2 tablespoons curd, half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon chili powder, and 2 tablespoons biryani masala. Mix well. Add mixed curd to fried green peas. Take some water in the bowl. Mix well. And add to fried green peas. Mix well. Keep the lid on. Fry until the oil float. Keep the lid on, and keep aside. Now, to prepare rice, we have to take boiled water, add biryani leaf, spices, and salt. Mix well. When the water boiled perfectly, add biryani rice. Mix well. %80 of rice has to be cooked. Now, add cooked rice to fried green peas, like layers. Now, add the fried onion, coriander leaves, mint leaves. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons water. Keep the lid on. Cover completely to avoid going steam out. After 15 minutes, the tasty green peas dum biryani will be ready. In the coming up video, I will show how to make tasty crispy chicken bites. Thank you for watching and following.